Hi, honey. Good morning. Good morning. Now the other one joined me. Hi. Such a sunny day. Hello, good morning. Welcome to another video of mine. Hi, Spoke. This is Spoke, one of the cats I'm taking care of right now because I moved places in Rotterdam. They are traveling, and yeah, they needed someone to take care of the cats. And that was just a perfect win-win situation. This is actually the first day of my last week in Rotterdam. It's Monday right now, and it's just such a lovely day. And I have nothing planned with anyone. I just have the day on myself, and I'm looking forward. My plan for today is to clean the dishes. I really have to do that first. And then I wanted to go out, take this day to let some quiet moments arise, do things that make me happy. And I didn't do this in such a long time, so I'm just drinking my tea right now, and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen first. And also, while cleaning the dishes, I'm listening to the new album of Gracie Abrams. It's called Good Riddance, and I like her voice so much. And I also love that you can clearly hear her words when she's singing, so the lyrics is very clear. But yeah, most of the songs are also quite sad. This is the album. It's just a nice album she just released. I think these are the cutest cats I've ever seen in my whole life because they just follow you around and do whatever you do. It's like you always have company and they are so loving. I was sitting here drinking my tea, and sometimes I just get into my thoughts and then just really tend to overthink, and I don't realize how much in my head I am until I leave the house, go on the street, meet other people. Even only the little talk I had with the woman on the cash out, she was telling me that I could get another toothpaste for free if I buy this toothpaste. She was so lovely to me. It was just this simple, tiniest conversation, but I was so happy after, and sometimes it's just nice to smile at a passenger on the street and just to look around or hear like music that's playing out of a window. Now I'm back home and I spontaneously decided to cook some risotto. So I'm going to show you how I make risotto. So these are the ingredients I'm using. First of all, of course, the risotto rice. Then I like to put some mushrooms into my risotto. We have the shallots, parmesan. I like to also put some butter into my risotto, and in the end I always top it off with some cherry tomatoes. So I did put the onions into the pan with a little bit of butter, and then I'm heating some water to add this for the soup. So I'm adding the rice now. Hi, baby. Guys, this is the finished risotto. So yummy, and I'm gonna eat this now, and then I have to do some stuff on the computer too. But yeah, I'm so looking forward to eat this now. It's so good. So yummy. I'm just doing some stuff on the computer. And look who's joining me. Hi, Spock. I'm drinking some tea and I have to finish some stuff, write some mails. And I also journaled a little bit. I did a little sketch of a bad sketch. Hi. Of a candle, actually. Looks like this. Yeah. Hi, Spoke. He's so cuddly. I just journaled for a bit and I just love it to end my day with some gratitude journaling and also some sketching. And now I'm going to bed and try to wake up a bit earlier tomorrow morning to go to the city center and to get a canvas. So yes, it was such a lovely day and I think it was good to have a day off just by myself. Also, I was out a bit, so that was nice.